In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive account on your laptop. If you're looking to store your files securely in the cloud, share documents with ease, or simply keep your laptop's storage a little less cluttered, OneDrive is a fantastic option. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the whole process, step by step. First things first, ensure your laptop is connected to the internet. This step is foundational because OneDrive, being an online service, needs internet connectivity to function properly. Now, if you're ready, open up your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser that you feel comfortable with. In your browser's address bar, type in onedrive.com and press enter. This will take you to the official OneDrive website, where we'll begin creating your account. Once the page has loaded, you'll see an option that says Sign Up for free. Click on this option to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter an email address. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can use that email here. Simply type your email address in the provided field. However, if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can create one for free. Just click on Create a Microsoft account and follow the instructions to set up your new account. During this process, you'll need to input your email address, create a strong password, and fill out any other required information. Remember, choosing a strong and complex password is crucial to protect your sensitive information and keep your account secure. Once your email is set and verified, the prompt will guide you to follow through with the account setup. This involves basic personal information entries, which help in personalizing your experience on OneDrive. Take a moment to go through these steps carefully, ensuring the accuracy of the details you provide. As the registration process concludes, you might be asked to confirm your identity. This step is essential for maintaining your account security and might involve verifying a code sent to your email or phone number. After this verification step, you should now have your OneDrive account set up. The next step is to download the OneDrive application onto your laptop, providing seamless integration. Back on the OneDrive homepage, look for the download option and give it a click. This will automatically start downloading the OneDrive setup file. Once it's downloaded, open the file to begin the installation. The installation is straightforward, and you simply need to follow the prompts on your screen. When it asks for your login information, use the email and password of your newly created account. With everything set, OneDrive will synchronize with your files and folders, allowing you to start uploading and sharing. So there you have it, your OneDrive account is now good to go on your laptop. You can begin uploading documents, photos, and other files right away. Having your files stored in OneDrive not only keeps them safe and backed up but also allows easy access from any device. Thank you for following along with this guide. Happy computing!